Gavana oye! Nataka nichukue nafasi hii kwanza mbaire neja abantu bami to be a mono for the support for Savana. Kwani yoranga ki Shabana echimotwe. Shabana tole bombe. Shabana tole bombe. I'm delighted to be associated with the Shabana FC for doing the KISII community proud. Having been crowned NSL champion for the 2022-2023 season. This is why I'm glad to grace this homecoming ceremony and join the team, fans, the soccer fraternity, and the community at large in celebrating the championship and evolution of our home team to the prosperous Kenya Premier League. As the earlier promised, the sponsor had sourced for Savannah is ready to sign for sponsorship of 20 million. Due to the challenges witnessed in this stadium during the NSL matches, such as difficulties in crowd control and flooding of the beach, we are set to embark on further renovation of the stadium to improve conditions and meet standards. Yeye alipewa utengenezo uwanja huu. Kulikuwa na shida kidogo, lakini kuanzia kesho, hivyo ndio amesema comment. Next week, from next week, amesema atahakikisha, ngoja tu, atahakikisha hakuna maji na lala hapo uwanjani. Hakikisha kwamba uwanja huu kwa uchezaji ambao, kwa sababu sasa timu imeingia primary, hakikisha kwamba uwanja huu umekuwa. Umeniambia kuna pesa kidogo tunayo yako, utalipwa, lakini wewe ndio uko na pesa yetu nyingi. Through my intervention, that the county government of KISII let Shabana use the stadium as it is home ground after years of being kept out of the stadium. The free of charge use of this facility allowed the team to raise funds for upkeep through gate collection throughout the season, and the gesture has indeed borne fruits. Lakini kutoka wakati huo sasa, yule sponsor ambaye nimesoma amekubali kwamba atawapea shilingi milioni 20. And as part of my agenda in upholding talent development in the county, we are set to give the KISII Stadium a major facelift to continue hosting soccer and other sports events. In this regard, we are launching the renovation of KISII Stadium today for Shabana FC to host cityscape matches. Besides, my administration is embarking on a talent scouting and nurturing program to help build a sustainable reserve for the best sportsmen and women, to feed our local sports teams as soccer and other disciplines too.
Science.